What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to install a charge pipe. So that's what is inside this engine box on a 2020 Toyota Supra. And also, we're going to show you how to download more power into the A90 using just this cable. Let's go. Boop. Success. So you want to give yourself more room, so you can remove these things from the start. Obviously the engine cover, take out your intake, and really anything else that might be in the way, say if you have a tower brace. You can see our AMS downpipe from here, and it's actually starting to naturally gold. That's awesome. So right now I got John and Jacob helping me out. Once you've loosened the clamps, you can remove the charge pipe. Just be mindful of the coolant lines when you're Tetrising it out. OEM charge pipes out. Show you guys what the engine one looks like. We opted for the polished chrome. Ooh, so pretty. So this is what you're given inside the box. A little manual, check off list of what comes inside. 2 parts and clamps. I'd say also one of the bigger reasons why you'd want to replace this when you go for more power is because this is probably one of the first things to blow. Just because of the material it's made out of, it's pretty brittle.
Coated your car yet?
No.
Okay, my brother's coming later. If you want to coat it, you can coat it for me.
Sweet, dude. Yeah, definitely.
And worst case, if my cable doesn't work,
yeah,
it'll connect for boot mode for the downloading.
Oh, nice. Perfect. These guys are the Beamer boys. So they know everything about this kind of car. What do you got there? Damn. Why not Corona? These guys come bearing gifts. Heard the Lotus was here, so I wanted to come take a look at it. Oh! Guys, you have no idea. Just to have this within my vicinity, within touching distance. Holy hell, damn, man. Yeah, this is too crazy. This is definitely one of my bucket list goals. And I know it's like a commoditized good, but you guys gotta choose your end goals. And sometimes cars, it's a good thing to work towards. Give me a little boop boop. These guys make light work of this stuff. All right, we're just gonna start the car now. Check for any leaks. In. What's up, dude? Welcome. How do you know? How do you know? What's up, homie? Huh? You good? Slick. Yo, thanks, guys. Appreciate it, homie. Yeah. Jacob, thanks, man. We went with engine just so we can match this guy, but yeah, exposed chrome like that looks good.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, so I quickly ran home, grabbed the enet cable, but I think the license that I have actually expired because, believe it or not, I bought this boot mod last year and I just never did anything with it until now. So, might have to wait. Thanks anyway, John.
No problem. When you get it sorted out, just let us know. We'll stop by.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks for coming.
Am I stuck in a time machine? I've never been where I'd like to be. Real love might be beautiful.
Yo, it's the next day, and yeah, unfortunately, the code that we tried to use yesterday, or the activation key, was assigned to a different Supra with a different VIN number. So I'm not entirely sure how that's possible, because once I bought my boot mod key, I just kept it. I never gave it to anybody. I never used it. When we tried to use it yesterday and it didn't work, we thought maybe it expired. But anyways, guys, it's fairly easy. So I brought my laptop with me and we're gonna try again. Try number 2. See you guys at the garage. Luckily for us though, I got my friend Caleb to send us another activation key, and hopefully this one works. So all you really need is, we got our enet cable, which hooks up to the Ethernet port of your laptop. And of course, obviously you're gonna need a laptop. So grab your OBD cable. On one end, you have the enet OBD, and on the other is the Ethernet. So the port you're looking for is actually just underneath the steering wheel column.
Looking for something to make me stay.
Okay, so you're gonna grab your laptop. I'm a Windows guy, so my laptop actually has an Ethernet port. So plug that in, just turn your car on. So what you wanna do is go to bootmod3.net. And I'm just gonna pull up my new activation key. If you haven't already, sign in, create an account on bootmod. If you have the specific app on your actual phone, you can update the settings using just your phone and Bluetooth. So once you're in the website, bootmod.net, what you want to do is download the OBD agent, depending on whatever laptop you're using. And we are using a Windows. And then once that's downloaded, finished installing the OBD agent, just rolls off the tongue so nicely. OBD, OBD. So depending on what mods you have done on your Supra, they say up to 20% horsepower gain. But I'm gonna show you on the program which tune we're actually gonna go with. And yeah, take it from there. Oh, we still gotta register our vehicle. So it says the OBD agent is all good and connected to the vehicle. So now you can head back to boot mod, and here we are. This is where you're gonna need your activation key. And we got the new one right here. So let's enter that in. I don't know if it's case sensitive, but we're gonna do both ways anyway. 40. And don't worry, you guys can try and use this one, but by the time this video is up, it'll have been activated on my car. So I'm gonna double check this. 9030. 9030. What? This activation key is not valid. Okay. I'm gonna try without the dashes. Oh my god, lame. It's not activating, guys. Okay, give me 1 second. So since my friend isn't getting back to me, and the 2 activation keys he sent us both don't work, I decided to just buy another activation key. From the actual website that created it, so protuningfreaks.com. And once you're there, just search for the A90 boot mode. And yeah, that should be that. And then you should get an email with the software license activation key. Plug that in. Crossing my fingers that this works. Success. So now we can flash tune the Supra. So once you're on boot mode, you want to go down to OTS maps, and then this is where you'll be able to choose the flash tune that you want for your car. And depending on what bolt-ons you have at this stage, you have the potential to unlock between 20 to 30% horsepower gains. For the Supra, that's anywhere between like 70 to 100 horsepower. That's the horsepower that was already in the car, but because of a paper agreement between BMW and Toyota wasn't able to advertise that. It just needed someone to help unlock it. It'll say whether or not you need extra hardware or extra modifications just to be able to run the tune. So this is an example. The Stage 2 93 octane tune, the required hardware for it is a full exhaust, which we have, or we can do the 93 octane, which requires high flow downpipe, which we also have. But you know what? I think, yeah, we'll try this one out first. So all you really gotta do to get the tune, just press it. Are you sure you'd like to acquire the Stage 2 93 octane map? Let's go. And once you have the map downloaded, go to your maps. All right, let's flash this. Flash. Downloading. So the flash is taking place right now. I should have put the battery charger in. I wasn't thinking. Finally tuning the Supra. This is the first time I've ever tuned one of my own cars, but I don't know, fairly easy process with a Beamer. Anyone with an A90 would be able to do this themselves, no problem. Okay, this is going faster than I thought. We're almost at 50%, guys. And then we'll take it for a test drive. So it says the flash was a success. Please turn ignition off, wait 5 seconds, and then start the car. Okay, I think that's it, guys. That also got rid of our check engine light. Thank goodness. Sweet, man. Okay, so I'll turn the car's off right now, actually. Wait 5 seconds, they say, and then turn it on. What's cool, actually, is I can have this still hooked up, but we can see the analytics and the diagnostics. And we'll see. Ready. What's cool too is actually you can request custom tunes from these private garages and shops and people who just do it for the boot mod. But yeah, interesting stuff. We'll figure this out, play around with it. But for now, go to our dashboard. Wait, no, that's not it. And yeah, we have the Stage 2 93 octane tune, which really only requires the high flow downpipe. It's that easy. But let's bring out the Supra and let's actually test her out. Probably bring her on one of the main roads or the highway and see how she pulls. Okay guys, where do we go? Where do we go?
She wants to go, man.
Oh, this is gonna be tough. I can already feel the throttle response. So the fact that we also have all the other bolt-ons we can do at this point, downpipe, charge pipe, full exhaust, intake, maybe I think we've unlocked close to 90 horsepower. Woo! Okay. I'm just product testing right now, okay guys?
I think there's an accuracy SX with the Honda badges.
Oh, maybe you're right. Oh.
There.
Ah! Oh my god.
Dude, that felt like the old full throttle.
Hey, are you ready, Sonny?
Yeah. Hit it.
What the fuck? Whoa. Oh my god. If I kept going, which I could, I wasn't even flooring it. It literally sticks your head to the back. God damn. Oh, okay, we can do a little more testing later when there's a little less traffic. Fuck.
That was some good shit, man.
That's scary. Yeah. Awesome, man. I'm scared. When it comes to car stuff, whenever I say I'm scared, it's usually a good thing.
Yeah, wait. Is it my turn?
Hey, sure, man. I want to hear what this sounds like. Yeah, we'll go to the back roads and do a few shots, rolling shots, but you can drive it.
Okay.
Yo, for sure. There's a little bit of a change. Okay.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Your turn.
It's my turn. Oh my god.
He's gonna drive the car for us, get a few shots from outside the car, and so I can see it drive by. Woo. sounds so good. Fuck! My bad!
Whoopsies.
Yo.
I got too far from the key. I think I started stuttering and shit.
Yo! It was like going off Bluetooth. Sorry, man. That's hilarious. I just forgot to give him the key.
It's good, it feels good, eh? Dude, I thought it was something to do with the tune. It was just like on a limp mode or some shit. As long as it's working good now, that's all that matters.
Yeah. No, it's good now. I think the wider tires really do help.
Yeah.
Better grip for sure. I'll just park in the front.
Yeah, let's replicate the G-forces. So it's like this, and then it's like...
Before I end this video, I just want to remind you that the RX-8 giveaway is live. So every $5 you spend on the Kings Must Rise website gets you a chance to be entered to win this bad
These
boy.
kids don't play. Get dressed up for the night at the break of dawn.
Now it's not completely complete yet. Still missing the Lion's wide body kit, which we're gonna be installing next week. Other than the wide body, she's at a good state, good running condition, all mechanically sound, and it kind of runs better than when we picked her up. There is a little part of me that is sad that we're gonna be letting this thing go, but I am gonna get the most out of it while it's in my possession. It's not like I'm gonna drive it to the ground or anything, but I mean content-wise, you know, while I have an RX-8 in my possession. Because that's how this channel works, is the cars that I do end up getting are cars that I want to teach myself more about, you know? We've done Japanese imports, we've hopped onto European cars, maybe a truck next. The main reason why I get these builds is to have a little taste of everything, you know? But chances are, after we let this thing go, I'm never gonna be getting an RX-8 again. Well, I shouldn't say that, who knows? So that's it, guys. Really easy way for you to unlock horsepower on your Supra. I think there's an extra little process for you to get into diagnostics mode for any Supra that was built after July 2020. I think that's what it's set on the program. But other than that, all you really need is an enet cable, or you can actually do it through your phone in an app. But for me, I think this was the easiest way. And you can pick this up off Amazon for like 80, 90 bucks, but I'll have a link in the description for anyone who wants to do it themselves at home. Now, I'm not entirely sure how much horsepower we did unlock, but it did feel faster, and I don't know if it's a placebo effect. But my plan in the next few days is to bring this to my friend's shop to get it dynoed and give you guys real numbers. And more so for me, because I want to know how fast this thing actually is. It only took like 5-10 minutes, but we unlocked, what, 20 to 30% horsepower just by pressing a button on your computer. But the rest of my plans for the Supra, maybe, oh, obviously the Street Hunter needs to go on. Possibly a bigger turbo in the near future. And then, yeah, that's it. Move on to the next project. We'll actually finish the E36 and also probably work on the XB. So many plans, but we have the rest of our life to work on those plans. So it makes me look forward to the future, you know? I think I'm gonna end this video here, guys. So appreciate you for watching as always, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Ciao. Yo, if it weren't for Shane pointing this out, I would never have seen it. Someone put the sticker in the back of my car. Sorry, Sonny. I know you did a really good job lining this up. Sorry, girls. I'm G. There, better. On my splitter.